Assalamu alaikum. I am Alish Faison, the author of the novel Mashalira and the co-author of Anthology Endings and Beginnings, as well a prime author of the three research articles published by Journal of Social Sciences Research and Policy JSSRP. As a writer, researcher, and storyteller, I am deeply passionate about exploring the depth of human emotions, societal complexities, and transformative power of words. Today, I am honored to present my review of the anthology book Two Minds, One Story, compiled by Rabia Muhammad Salim and published by HOC Publication. This exceptional collection showcases the creative journey of the two writers coming together to craft deeply moving narratives. From this anthology, I have chosen to review Silent Battle, Quiet Fights, a story, and a soul stirring story written by co-author Shebazili Somro. This story is an emotional odyssey of the silent suffering, resilience, and unbreakable strength of the women fighting for her voice, one that lingers in heart long after the final page. What makes this book extraordinary is its ability to capture both the darkness of suffering and the light of resilience. This writing is deeply evocative, immersing readers in Sophia's world of the silent screams and unspoken fears, yet also making them witness the beauty of newfound strength and love. Aiden's characters offer a glimpse of kindness in the world that has not only shown cruelty but proving that not all strength is violent and not all love is possessive. The moment Sophia holds her daughter in her arm, breaking the generational cycle of pain, profoundly touching and symbolizing victory over fate. If Silent Battle quite fights for my story, I would identify the psychological depths of Sophia's silent agony, capturing the emotional turbulence of a woman on the brink of losing herself. I would intertwine her pain with poetic symbolism, perhaps a recurring motif of a caged bird yearning to break free, or the imagery of the wilting flower struggling to bloom despite the darkness around it. Her suffering wouldn't just told, it wouldn't felt in every whispered thought, every hesitant step towards freedom. The story would not only revolve around survival, but also transformation of phoenix rising from the ashes of past. Instead of merely enduring oppression, Sophia would reclaim her power in a way that makes the reader feel the intensity of her rebirth. Aiden's character is not, in my variant, would play a profound role, but not just as a savior, but as a quiet force of support, proving that the true strength lies in the kindness, and the present would serve as contrast to cruelty. Sophia has endured showcasing the love is not about control but also it about empowerment. The final moment where Sophia embraces her daughter would be written with such depth that reader would feel every heartbeat, every silent tear, every broken chain of the past. It would be more than just a victory for her. It would be a revolution against inherent suffering, a declaration that the cycle of pain ends with her. My version of this story would not just highlight suffering, but also resilience of the human spirit.